Hey friends, today I'll be showing you how you can do this wire wrapping technique. Alright, and for this technique we're going to be using 5 core wires. These are 12 gauge, but in reality these wires will be thinner when you're using jewelry, probably about an 18 gauge or a 20 gauge. And I'm going to be using this 22 gauge wire to do my weaving. But if you're doing jewelry, you should combine maybe an 18 gauge with a 26 gauge for better results. So I'm going to start by wrapping this first wire about 5 times. Just like that. Next I'm going to take another wire and I'm going to wrap my weaving wire around it 2 times like that. And from here on I'm going to be adding another wire. Bring my weaving wire in between these two, wrap it around that once, and I'm gonna bring it right in between it just like that. Then take another wire and add it to it, wrap it around it once, bring it right in between it like that. Bring another wire and add it to it. This is going to be the last one. Wrap it around it once, and I'm going to come down to this one here and then go back up in between the first two like that, and then come down to the number 4 wire from top to bottom, and then come back up right in between these two like that. And I'm gonna wrap my weaving wire around these 2 wires 2 times. This is what it should look like. And here I'm going to secure my weave by weaving it around this last wire maybe 5 or 6 times. I'm gonna do 5, and from here on the process starts all over again. So I'm gonna wrap it around it twice like that. I'm gonna start building my weaving pattern all the way up. It's a little easier now that all the wires are in place. The confusing parts when you are going down with your weaving, it can be a little confusing, but if you look at your weaving pattern on this side, you will figure it out. Just making sure that it looks all the same, that the patterns are matching like a mirror. There you go. So I'm gonna do a few more and I will show you what it looks like. Alright, this is what it looks like once you got a few of these patterns done. And then all you need to do is kind of just pull out these top 3 wires, which is really easy once you get it done. Those wires were just so we could have a even pattern. And if you're gonna use this in jewelry, it looks really nice when you put it around pendants and you put a stone in the middle. This is what I do. Now, of course, I'll be going farther down and then just put a stone in the middle or something. But yeah, this is how you do this pattern. It's really nice, so maybe try it out. Okay guys, please give me a follow, check out my YouTube channel, and like this video and share it. Thank you.